Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of cosine to the fourth power of x. We again use power reduction. Recall that cosine squared of x equals 1 plus cosine of 2x, all divided by 2. Now square this expression. This gives 1/4 times 1 plus 2 cosine of 2x plus cosine squared of 2x. We reduce the cosine squared term again using the same identity. After simplifying and integrating term by term, we get 3x over 8 plus sine of 2x over 4 plus sine of 4x over 32 plus c. Quick takeaway. Cosine even powers follow the same steps as sine.